Let's learn how to create account on Rubi. First, let's open Rubi app on your phone. When you are open the app, you will come on this page where you can log into your account. But because of that you don't have account, you need to click on a register option. Next, on this page, you need to fill all of these fields below to complete your account registration. On first field, you need to enter your email address. On the next field, enter your username. Make sure that your username needs to be unique. Next, select the country from which your phone number comes. You can scroll down to find the country you want, or you can search for country. And when you find the country, just choose it. After that, put your phone number. The next thing you need to do is to enter a password. Make sure that your password be strong. Then, when you enter the password, just confirm your password again. And the last thing is that to enter a referral code. So because of that, click on the referral code field. And you can enter this referral code, Quick Apps Guide. Then, when you enter it, just click on blue Continue button. Now, you need just to select You confirm with term and policy, and that will show to you a blue Register button, and you need to click on it. Now, Rubi app sends to you a verification code on your email. Then just go on your email and copy a verification code and enter it. And the last thing, you need to click on Continue button and you will create your Rubi account. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.